Hello teacher, my name is John Jairo Guerrero and hello classmates. This is my postcard hypothetical situation. My travel in the Brazil. This is a photo or the monument of the Cristo Rey. My postcard. Dear family, I want to tell you in Brazil there are many beautiful places. I am very happy to be in this place. I am happy. I am the state, the Cristo, the remember, which is a great monument. This is beautiful. I send the photograph, my photograph, that I look in which I am dressed. I cap and black glaze, very close to the stage. I am studying in the hotel in the center of the city. In the afternoon, I got out wash to show in the streets and the dance of the garotas. Here the woman is very beautiful and nice. This is a people. Beautiful woman. I hope to see you soon, family. Send you a big home from we. I love them. My name is John Jairo Guerrero Herrera. This is activity 3. Thank you.